Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine. Dear students, let us come back to our English class. Before we start the lesson, let us do the revise what we learned in the last class. What we learned in the last class, we learned here the three characters of the people. Who are three? The narrator and the brother of the boy called Nishad, 7, his name, his sister Maya. So what they are doing, they want to become a good detective. Detective means the person who finds out the things secretly. The police does the thing, those criminal, they in order to find out the truth, they do it without the knowledge of that particular person. They find out the things. So here same way they want to find out. And where they met this fellow, they have met Mr. Nath in their mother's clinic. Her mother is a doctor. He is undergoing treatment under their mother. So when they met that fellow, they thought Nishad was having concern towards this man, but Maya was thinking that seeing the burns on his face, she's thinking that he may be a criminal and he might have escaped from the police. So the wounds may be due to the gunshot of the police, is thinking. But his brother is against that one. Her brother, he is telling no, not like that. He is a simple man. The way we look at his structure of the body, he is very poor man. Even he doesn't have the money to buy and eat his food. He is telling, but she is telling no. In his room there is a big trunk is there. Maybe she may be having lot of coins, millions of rupees, gold, everything he may be having. He is a cheat. She is keep on telling like that. But this boy is not willing to listen. He has one concern towards him. And one day he went with his mother alone to that his mother's clinic. There he met Mr. Nath and he went and talked to him. He wants to go and talk to him. He knocked at the door. The man came out to ask whether he might have put some stones or something. He said no, and he gave the chocolate and he came out. He couldn't even inquire to him because this man didn't allow him to enter into his room. But what he sees thinking that, but at the same time he found out from the person, the Ramesh, one who is carrying the food for him every day from the hotel. From morning until evening he carries the food and he takes simple meal. And what happened after only morning he takes tea or coffee, even after also he takes. But every Sunday only one person comes to visit him. That time he takes morning and afternoon meals also. So he had doubt who is that person. When he came and shared about his points, immediately his sister was appreciating, and even she is telling about also he is a criminal, he might have escaped from the police, and we have to inquire about him, and we have to make a thorough statement of that one, what this man come to know, what is the background of him, and we have to, if he is a thief, criminal, we have to make him arrest, she is telling. But after that what happens, and she is noting down the points, what are the points he collected. She is writing. How she is writing? They were in summer holidays. After summer holidays, they are supposed to go to the school. But what happened? Suddenly there was a rain and everywhere the flood. They can't go to school. So it was announced as a holiday. So this Maya was sitting on the table with the paper to write down the points whatever her brother is collected. So let us go to next one. On page number, catching a creek, on page number 89. Please open the page number on 89. I wrote in large block letters. So when as my brother dictated what I was doing, the points he was writing in the letter bird. Expert detectives Nishad and Maya Pandit. Who is it both? Who is conducting this one? Maya and Nishad. Nishad is her brother, and Maya, who is the narrator. We saw three characters. Narrator is also the same, Maya only. So she is acting. Next, by appointment to the whole world, then I began writing about half an hour late. So I was began to write for half an hour late. I turned towards Seven, who was lying on his tummy. Then the chin cupped in his palms, reading comics. Want to hear what I have written? I asked. Then after writing, when I noticed what my brother was doing, he kept his head to both the hands like this on the chin, and he was lying down and reading the comic books. Then I asked him, want to hear what I have written? I asked him, do you want to know the points whatever I have written? Next, he looked up questioningly. I have listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath, which might help us to trap him. I said, want to hear. So he looked, when I asked him, do you want to listen to the points, whatever I have written? Immediately he looked at me in a question. As I was going to ask the question like that, he looked at me and I told him, I have listed all the fact, all the truth, the information, whatever we collected, I have listed it and about Mr. Nath. Do you want to listen to me? He is asking. 7 nodded. Nodded means he is just yes, he said by shaking his head. Fact number 1, the truth number 1. I read, his name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. What is the first truth? He wrote that in the letter. His name is Mr. Nath, and we have to write out, find out the first name. What is his exactly? Maybe a house name or maybe initial of the name. So she wants to know the correct name, first name. So, do you think that his real name, Maya Nisad asked, and he is asking, do you think Mr. Nath is maybe his real name? He is asking this question to his sister whether the Mr. Nath is a real name or not. Probably not. Perhaps it is not, I said. Most groups have an Elias. I added a big question mark after Nath. Means most of them Elias means it is a nickname. They will be having a nickname. We also have the nickname, yes or no? We will be having school one name, but at home the parents will be calling with the other name. So when he asked whether it is his correct name, he is telling usually the crook, the most probably what will happen, crooks especially, the criminals, the cheaters, they will have the nicknames, he is telling. So Elias means it is a nickname. So it may be a nickname, sisterly may be having another name. Next, fact number 2. So what is the fact 1? His name is Mr. Nath, but they want to find out the first name. Second fact, what is the truth? I read on, the tenants at Sangar's house say he is mad, strange and unfriendly. The tenants where he is staying at Sangar's house, what they are telling, this man is this Mr. Nath is a madman and a strange man and he is unfriendly. He is a mad and a person, tenant means the person who staying in the rent house for a room. Yes or no? So they are telling he is a madman they are telling, and he has no friends with anybody. She is telling to him. That is a second fact. Third one, number 3, he doesn't talk to anyone and is mannerless. He doesn't have, he will not speak to anyone and he doesn't have no manners. Manners means not treating, respecting others. You know the manners, good manners. So she is telling he is not a, doesn't have the good manners. That is the third point. What is the fourth one? And he doesn't talk also with anyone. Fourth, but he did talk to us, Maya, and Mama says he is very polite. And when she said the third point, he doesn't talk to anybody, he doesn't talk, but immediately our brother is telling he has spoke to us. Even mommy, our mother says he is a very polite man, very gentleman, mother is telling. Nisad interpreted. Interpret means when she is taking in between, cutting her, making, suppose if the wrong sentence, wrong commandments, immediately we say stop them, interpreting. So he is interpreting, what interpretation he has given. I know he has spoken to us very nicely. Not only that, our mother says he is a very polite man. Next, he only talked to us because he had to, I said. And since he was under Mama's medical treatment, he had to be a polite. And she is telling he has only to talk to us. Why? Because it is a mother's clinic. Not only that, since his mother is treating him, he has to be very polite in a gentle way. That is the reason she is telling answer for that one. Next, fourth fact is he doesn't receive any letters. That is the fourth one. He doesn't get any letters from anybody. And 7 noted, Number 5, he has been living in room number 10 of Sanga's house for more than a year, I continued. That is the fifth point. He is living here how many years? A year, and in room number 10, nearly 1 year he is staying in that room. So by first point they have to find out his correct name. Second one, what he said, he is staying in the house, he is a mad and he is a strange man, he is unfriendly. Third point is telling he doesn't talk to anyone, he has no manners. Then fourth point is telling he doesn't receive any letters. And fifth point, what he is telling, he is telling that he is staying in Sanga's house for nearly 1 year in room number 10. Next, number 6, he doesn't work and sits in his room all day. He doesn't go for any work. Whole days he remains in the room. Seventh point, the kids in Sanga's house and even some of the grown-ups are scared about him. And they said, for seventh point is, the kids, those are living nearby other rooms, apartment, those are staying in the room nearby, they are frightened of him. They are afraid of him. Why may be afraid? It may be because some marks on his faces. Due to that they may be afraid. But this girl, being a good detective, she wants to become a good detective. She wants to show that she is a good detective, expert detective. She is having conclusion of that one. He is not talking with anyone and the children are afraid of him. Eighth fact is, he has no visitors except for a spectacled, fair, fat man who visits him on Sundays for lunch. And he has no visitors except only one person comes on every Sunday for lunch, and that man is a very fair and tall and short man, and he is wearing the spectacles. Number 9, what is the 9th point? Food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs. And the food is, he doesn't go to the restaurant to eat, whereas the good food is brought for him by the Ramesh, one man from the hotel. He doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately and tips well. And he doesn't even takes bother what he wants to eat, but what he does, whatever he gets he eat, and he pay the bill for both the meals and as well as the boy who brings for him. That ends my list. Have I forgotten anything? 7. So all the 10 points she read to her brother, and finally she told, I have written what are the points you collected. Is there any other point I have to audit? So what are the 9 points is he collected? First, name is not, we have to find out the original name. Second one, he has no visitors, he doesn't have any friends, and he is staying in he is a very madman, strange man. Third one, he doesn't have manners. Fourth one, what happened? He doesn't receive any letters. Fifth one, they are living in the house. He is living in the Sanga's apartment nearly 1 year. And sixth one, the children are afraid. No, he sits in the room alone there, he doesn't come out. Then the seventh one, the children are afraid, those are living nearby house. And eighth one, he only one person visits him every Sunday. And ninth one, he eats the food, he has no particular food, whatever he gets, he prefers only the vegetable and dal curry, whatever he gets it. And the person who brings the food for him, immediately he pays a price for him. So these are the 9 points he has wrote in that letter, and she is asking her brother whether anything has to be added. I have left it. Nisal had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. And what his brother was, she noticed that her brother obviously means clearly I noticed that whatever the points I wrote and I read to him, he was not listening to him, that I know. She's telling all he could say was, poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friends. And he is telling maybe he may be very poor man, that is the reason maybe he is not having any friends. She is telling him in a negative way, but whereas her brother is looking him as in a positive way. So maybe he is a very poor man, he may not be able to go out and have the friends or somebody with them. So he is telling he is always having concern towards him. How can a crook have friends? Idiot, I almost shouted. When he said that he is a poor man, he has no friends. Immediately, I got angry and I shouted at man, how can a crook, a cheater, a criminal, how can he have a friends? He is asking why the cheaters, they don't have friends or what? Everywhere the criminals, they as a group, they do the criminals. So there will be sworn and certain friends will be there. At last, he has one friend, the one who meets him on Sundays, said Nisar. But Nisar is telling he has only one friend. That friend only comes and meets him on a Sunday. A brilliant thought occurred to me just then. Then immediately, nice thought came to her. That man must be Mr. Knott's accomplice in crime. Maybe the man may also accomplice means the man who comes and visits her on Sunday. He may be knowing, he also helped him to do the criminal. He also helped him to commit the sins, he is telling. I said, maybe he keeps all the lot and he comes how and then to give part of to his partner. Maybe he is collecting all that money and whatever it wants, and each time he is coming, every Sunday he is coming to in order to give him the information and the maybe the money whatever they are collecting. See how her idea is going. If you insist his partner, Mr. Nath, for expenses, that isn't, I am sure I am right. And she's telling that may be one who comes on Sunday, he may be collecting the money. He may also be one of the partner with him. He may be collecting the money and give him, coming and giving for him for his expenses. That is right, she is telling. If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya, said Nisad angrily. He can't be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such generous tip. And see, he is telling, Nisad is getting angry and telling, if we keep on calling him as a criminal, I don't want to have any discussion with you. Because according to me, he is a good person. And if he is a criminal, why he has to give the money for to Ramesh for bringing the meals for him? So he is not a criminal. You don't say call him criminal. If you say, I will not have any discussion with you regarding your detective work. Ramesh probably knows something about his past, so Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet, I said. Immediately what he is telling, maybe Ramesh may be knowing all his family background, his all the mistakes, the criminal whatever he committed, maybe Ramesh may be knowing, so he may put out to the police or he may tell outside. So in order not to go the truth out, he may be bribing, means giving money and keeping him under him. That is the reason Ramesh, he may be paying the money, he is telling. See how our minds are going. Immediately what are the way we are thinking it. Nisad glared at me with his arms tightly crossed across his chest. I was beginning to get fed up with him, and Nisad is telling he was so angry. He was little bit looked at her very angry, and he was telling, I am really fed up of him. He kept fold hands and he is telling, I really fed up of your way. Next, how can we make any progress with our investigation if you take that attitude, Savansi asked. If you are fed up of him, how can we go further in order to investigate this detective, he is asking. How can we progress our finding out this fellow, who is this man and what is the background of him, how to find out. So you don't be fed up, she is telling. I will cooperate only if we give up this idea about him being an escaped crook, said Seven. You really make me angry. And he told, I will cooperate with you if you don't tell him that, if you don't say that he is a crook, he has escaped from the police. If you don't use that word and you have to consider him as he is a good person, then only I will support you, otherwise I will not cooperate with you, her brother told him. I almost hit him. I make you angry, you stupid oaf. I shouted, you make me mad. What is the point of all these inquiries if he is not a crook? If you think he is nobody, what is the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. And she also getting angry and she is beating her brother and she is calling him, you stupid, all that words she shouted and she was scolding him and she is telling, you make me mad, you are only making me mad. What is the point of these inquiries? What is the use of we are inquiring if he is not a crook? Since he is a crook only, criminal only, we are inquiring about him. Otherwise, what is the use of we have to inquiring about him? If you think he is nobody, what is the idea of bothering about him. And if you think, what is bother about him? What is the reason you are disturbed by him? Please tell me, she is asking to him. Next, Nisad looked thoughtful. I had like to find out why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. Immediately he asked, what is the points to make you disturbance like that? And immediately he is telling, I want to know why this man is very thin and he has nobody, and why no friends come to see him. All other things, why he lives alone, that I want to know. What is his intention? First we want to know what is the reason this man is very thin and nobody comes to visit him. He is living alone. There is nobody for him. That question he had in his mind. For that he wants to find out the answer. Try to understand 7. I said to him, if he has lived in Sanga's house for a year and hasn't made any single friend, there is something wrong. He is obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him up to the cops. Immediately she is telling, you try to understand, my dear brother, why he is living nearly 1 year in that Sanga's apartment. If he is not talking to anybody, that means he may be a crook only. He may be frightened that if they come to know that he is a crook, they may inform the police and the police may arrest him. That is the reason maybe he is living alone. He is not having any friends. He is telling. Maybe no one's tried to make friends with him, Nisad protested. Immediately Nisad is telling, maybe the people don't want to make a friendship with him. Maybe she is telling in another way, but he is telling in another way. Why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is, I said. So she is telling, why should anybody has to bother? Because he is a nasty bear, means he is a large, heavy animal, especially belonging to dog family. He is a dog family, so who will bother about him? She is questioning to his brother. I don't care, said Nisad stubbornly. I like him and I am going to try and he to be his friend. I say, whatever maybe you say, whether he is belonging to a group or criminal family, I don't bother that one. I am going to talk to him and I am going to make friendship with him. Friends with a group? Ha, you are crazy, 7. I said, the cops will take you to jail with him. Do you want that to happen, you idiot? And telling, you are going to make the friendship with the criminal. She is laughing at him and saying, even if you make friendship with the police also, not only they will arrest him, even they will arrest you too, she is telling to him. Nisad merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. My theories seem to have made no impression on him at all. So this man, her brother, without talking anything, he went out and she is telling the theory, what I have collected the information about him, maybe he may not be happy with that one, she is telling. So actually, the man is not really a crook or a criminal. Actually, this Mr. Nathway, he met with some accident and some burning took place in his mind. Some scars, some burned was took place in his body. So he doesn't want with that body, he doesn't want to appear to anybody. Still he gets secure, he wants to be alone in the room. That's the reason he is staying alone. Only every Sunday his brother comes to meet him. And his mother knows, that is the reason even the parent, Nisa, the mother, is treating him, and she knows he is a very polite man and a simple man, he is a friendly man. Due to that incidents, he doesn't want to come out till he be cured. But here, Nisa Maya, she wants to, she is misunderstanding him. Since he is remaining alone, he has no friends, he is not coming out, so he is misunderstanding that he may be a criminal. The same thing even in our life sometimes we to do. Some seeing out appearance, what we do, we also judge the people, they are a wrong people. It is not a correct. When we talk to them only, we will come to know real the nature of the person, what is the reason they are like that. So we should not judge immediately by looking at them unless until we talk to them. So dear students, here we completed the lessons. Read the lessons. We see in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.